You asked how to buy shares of Himalaya Shipping Ltd, a maritime logistics company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker HSHP. This is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice, so always research and consider risks before trading. You need a brokerage account to buy shares, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker HSHP to find the company listing. Confirm you have selected the correct Himalaya Shipping Ltd result before opening the asset page. On the asset page, review the company's profile, recent news, and the price chart to get context. Make sure the company name, NASDAQ market, and HSHP ticker match the firm you intend to buy. To invest, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm the transaction on eToro. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will request adding money before confirming the purchase. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it and set alerts. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to follow this example.